Ever wonder why bank pens are chained? They don't even trust me, and I don't even have hands. Welcome to The System Speaks. Entering a bank is like stepping onto another planet. Gravity is different here. The weight of debt keeps you pinned to the floor. The system starts with a small slip. Your turn, 999. It basically means go live your life and come back. Maybe then it'll be your turn. People here are like parked train cars. Their souls are stuck in 1998, but their bodies are waiting for counter number 4 to open. Counters are like mini fortresses. Bulletproof glass. Is my small loan application going to start World War III? The clerk looks at the monitor like he's coding the exit from the Matrix. In reality, he's just hitting copy. They speak a special language, credit validation, guarantor. It means we need to know your ancestors before giving you a dime. Getting a loan is like a marathon. First, you must prove you don't need money at all for them to give you some. The system asks for a guarantor. You need someone willing to go to jail for you. This isn't finance. It's a friendship test. It's the 21st century, but the system loves hard copies. Forests are dying just for a photocopy of page 2 of my ID. 1:30 p.m., the system suddenly stops. Why? Because the power of stew is stronger than the country's total liquidity. The system charges you for the SMS, saying money spent. You're literally paying them to tell you that you're getting poorer. At the end of the hall sits the manager. The core system is there, always on the phone, probably telling the stock market not to crash. Outside sits the ATM, the only part of the system working 24/7s, yet it's always out of cash or paper. Deposit interest grows like a lizard's tail, slowly, but loan interest grows like weeds. You sleep and it doubles by morning. Cameras are everywhere. The system is watching, even when you're scratching your ear with that chained up pen. Finally done. No money, but lots of bitter experience. The bank system never sleeps. It just collects compound interest. And don't forget, always the system speaks.